Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to reset your Samsung One Connect box step by step. Start by making sure your Samsung TV and One Connect box are turned on and connected. The first method is a soft reset. This type of reset is simple and safe. Locate the power button on your One Connect box. This button is usually on the side or back of the box. Press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds. You will see the box turn off. Release the button and wait a few seconds. Then press the power button again to turn it back on. This refreshes the One Connect box and can solve small software issues. If the soft reset does not fix the issue, move on to a hard reset. This method clears temporary errors and restarts the box from a complete power-off state. First, unplug the One Connect box from the wall outlet. Do not just turn it off using the power button. Remove the power cable completely. Wait for at least 30 seconds. This allows all stored power and memory to clear. After 30 seconds, plug the power cable back into the outlet. Give the box a moment to start and reconnect to your TV. After the reset is finished, the One Connect box will restart automatically. If none of these steps solve the problem, the issue may be hardware related. In that case, reaching out to Samsung support is the best next step. Thanks for watching.